starting your new topic, that is yes students, good afternoon. Today our topic is division of fraction. आपको मैंने मल्टीप्लाई सिखाया है, फ्रैक्शन को ऐड और डिवाइड भी बताया है. आज मैं आपको बताऊंगी हाउ वी डिवाइड द फ्रैक्शन. What is the process to divide the fraction? The first question I am taking like this. जैसे मैंने लिखा 5/7 divided by 4. How you will divide this? First you have to change this division portion into the, you have to पहले आपको ये जो डिवीजन पोर्शन दे रखा है इसको किस में चेंज करना पड़ेगा? डिवीजन पोर्शन को मल्टीप्लाई में. This sign you have to change it into the multiply and take the reciprocal of 4. When you will take the reciprocal of 4, that is equal to 1/4. Okay. When you take the reciprocal of 3/4, it becomes 4/3. Okay. So when you take the reciprocal of 4, it is equal to 1/4. Because in the denominator portion it is given 1, so you will take the reciprocal of 4/1, it is equal to 1/4, and your division is changed into multiply. So when you have to multiply numerator portion with numerator. 5 1 ja 5 and 7 4 ja 28. So this is the process of how to divide the fraction. Now second question I am again taking like this one. 7/8. When you divide 7/8 by 5/6, how you will divide this one? You have to take the reciprocal of 5/6. So reciprocal of 5/6, that is equal to 6/5. रेसिप्रोकल का मतलब क्या होता है? आपका डिनोमिनेटर जो है वो न्यूमरेटर बन जाता है और जो न्यूमरेटर है वो बिकम द डिनोमिनेटर. It is called the reciprocal. And when you multiply 5/6 into 6/5, it also become 1. Their product is equal to 1. जब आप रेसिप्रोकल लेते हो और रेसिप्रोकल पोर्शन को और जिसका रेसिप्रोकल लेते हो, इन दोनों को अगर मल्टीप्लाई करके देखते हो तो इन दोनों का जो प्रोडक्ट आता है, इन दोनों का जो मल्टीप्लाई आता है वो 1 आना चाहिए. ये तो मैंने आपको समझाने के लिए बताया है, बट यू हैव टू यूज हियर द रेसिप्रोकल व्हेन यू चेंज डिवाइड इनटू मल्टीप्लाई साइन. आपको डिवाइड के साइन को किसमें चेंज करना है? मल्टीप्लाई में. एंड 5/6 का रेसिप्रोकल लेंगे, इट बिकम 6/5. नाउ द नंबर विच आर कैंसल टू ईच अदर, you have to cancel it. So 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, it is cancelled now. So now 7 3 ja 21 and 4 5 ja 20. Now 21 is greater than 20. Then your numerator is greater than the denominator. You have to change it into the mixed fraction. So 21 ja 20, your one is remainder. So you have to write this question 1:1/20. Now again I am taking your exercise question 2.4, and you will open your notebook also and write down these questions in your notebook. Your first question is find the reciprocal of the following. Your first question is find the reciprocal. रेसिप्रोकल मैंने आपको बताया कि रेसिप्रोकल में क्या होता है. When you take the reciprocal of 3/7, it becomes 7/3, because your denominator become the numerator and numerator become the denominator. So it is the reciprocal. The reciprocal of 3/7 equal to 7/3. And the reciprocal of 13/9. 13/9 का रेसिप्रोकल क्या होगा? 9/13। वो उल्टा हो जाता है, जो डिनोमिनेटर है वो न्यूमरेटर बन जाता है और जो न्यूमरेटर होता है वो डिनोमिनेटर बन जाता है. And your third question is, when you take the reciprocal of 8, your denominator is given here 1. So how you will write the reciprocal of 8? It is equal to 1/8. Now note down these questions in your notebook. Your question number 1 of exercise 2.4. Okay. Now we will solve your second question. Note down these questions in your notebook. Now your next question, second, is evaluate the, and you have given 14 divided by 5/6. This is your first question. All the question you have to note down in your notebook. This divide, when you change it into the multiply, you have to take the reciprocal of 5/6. जो डिवाइड बाद का पॉइंट, when you multiply, first you have to take the reciprocal of 5/6. It is equal to 6/5. Now when you multiply 14 into 6, because nothing is cancelled here, so 14 multiplied by 6, it is equal to 84. 84/5. Okay. Now your 84 is greater than 5. So you have to change this question into the mixed fraction. So 5 1 ja 5, 3 remainder, 5 6 ja 30, and 4 remainder. So your answer is 16:4/5. This is the mixed fraction of 84/5. Okay. What you will do in this question? First you have to change the divide into multiply, and then you have to take the reciprocal of 5/6. It is equal to 6/5. Then if your number are cancelled in the cross section, then you will cancel it, or otherwise the numerator or denominator portion is cancelled, you can reduce it. But if it is not cancelled, you have to multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. Now you have to change it into the mixed fraction. Now your second question, do yourself. Third I am doing 3:1/5 divided by 1:2/3. When both the mixed fraction are given in the question, first you have to change it into the improper fraction. 5 3 ja 15. 15 में 1 plus करेंगे, it is equal to 16. And 3 1 ja 3. 3 में 2 plus करेंगे, 5/3. Now what will you do? You have to convert the divide into multiply and take the reciprocal of 5/3. Not take the reciprocal of 16/5. You have to take the reciprocal of this side. Divide portion is given, this portion, here it is given. So you have to take the reciprocal of 5/3 portion. So when you take the reciprocal of 5/3, it is equal to 3/5. Now you have to multiply 16 3 ja 48, 5 5 ja 25. When you multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator, you will get the portion. Now 48 is greater than 25. You have to take the you will have to divide the 48 by 25, and now you get 1:23/25. पहले आपको डिवाइजर लिखना है, बाद में रिमाइंडर, पहले आपको कोशेंट लिखना है, फिर डिवाइजर रिमाइंडर लिखना है, और देन यू हैव टू राइट डाउन द डिवाइजर पोर्शन. दिस इज द मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन ऑफ 48/25. And fourth question, again you have to do it yourself. Note down this question. Next question, your third question is, how many pieces each 5:1/3 meter long can be cut from a cloth of 77:1/2 meter or 2 meter long? Total length of the cloth in this question is given. Total length of the cloth is given. टोटल कपड़े की लेंथ कितनी दे रखी है आपको? 77:1/2 मीटर. और आपको इसको टोटल लेंथ में से कितने पीसेस कट करने हैं? इतने इतने आपको छोटे छोटे पीसेस कट करने हैं. तो उस एक पीस की जो लेंथ है, द लेंथ ऑफ वन पीस is given 5:1/6 meter. Now both the numbers are given, both the fraction are given in the mixed fraction. You have to change first in the improper fraction. 77 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, it is equal to 154, and 1 प्लस करो, it is equal to 155/2 meter. Okay, and when you multiply 6 5 जा 30 plus 1, it is equal to 31/6 meter. Okay, you have to multiply 6 with 5, and then you have to add 1 also. Now आपको इतने कपड़े की लेंथ में से टोटल लेंथ it is given. When, for example, you have given the length of the cloth is 10 meter, and you have to make the pieces 2 meter pieces. 2 मीटर के पीसेस आपको टोटल 10 मीटर में से कट करने हैं. तो you have to divide 10 by 2. It means you will get 5 pieces of the cloth. Now how many pieces you will get out of 155/2 meter cloth में से आपको 31/6 मीटर के कितने pieces मिलेंगे? Number of pieces you will get equal to total length of cloth divided by length of one piece. तो टोटल लेंथ कितनी दे रखी है? 155/2. यू हैव टू डिवाइड 31/6 से आपको क्या करना है? डिवाइड करना है. तो यू विल गेट द लेंथ ऑफ हाउ मेनी पीसेस. When you will take the reciprocal of 31/6, it is equal to 6/31. Now you have to cancel these. 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, because 2 as a prime factor in 6 and 2, and 31 1 ja 31, 31 5 ja. When you multiply 31 by 5, you will get 155. So total कितने पीस आपको मिले? 5 3 ja 15 pieces you will get. कितने पीसेस मिले आपको इस कपड़े की लेंथ में से? 155/2 मीटर के लेंथ में से आपको इतने मीटर के पीसेस कट करने थे. 31/6 मीटर के पीसेस कट करने थे. यू विल गेट द पीसेस ऑफ टोटल 15 pieces you will get from the total length of the cloth. Okay, note down this question. Yes, student, your next question is, By what number should 4:7/8 be multiplied? Let the number be x. Your fourth question is, by what number should we multiply 4:7/8? 4:7/8 को हम किस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करें? Let the number be x. आपको जिससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है, and the portion you get 87:3/4. 87:3/4 you will get. So how you will get the multiplied number? आपने इस नंबर को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें कि आपको 87:3/4 मिलना चाहिए? तो you have to divide this portion. So 87:3/4, when multiply portion shifted in the rightward portion, then it is divided. It become divide. So when you multiply 87/4, 348, and you add 3 in it, it become 351. Or you divide this portion by 8 4 ja 32 plus 7, 39/8. Okay, then you get the answer by taking the reciprocal of 39/8. 39/8 का reciprocal, division sign is changed into multiply, and you have to take the reciprocal of 39/8. You will get 8/39. आप डिवाइड करके कट नहीं कर सकते. डिवाइड पोर्शन यू हैव टू चेंज इनटू द मल्टीप्लाई फर्स्ट. व्हेन यू चेंज इनटू द मल्टीप्लाई, देन यू विल टेक द रेसिप्रोकल फर्स्ट. ओके, you will take the reciprocal of 39/8. It is equal to 8/39. Now 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. It is cancelled, and 351 is cancelled by 39. It is cancelled by 9. ओके, 39 को 9 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हो तो ये 9 से 39 9 जा 351. So you have to multiply 9 with 2. You will get your answer 18. So your answer is 18. When you multiply 4:7/8 by 18, you will get 87:3/4. Note down this question. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, इन ए हॉस्टल मेस, एक हॉस्टल में मेस में each student get 1/3 liter of milk every day. Each student, question number 5, each student gets 1/3 liter of milk. एक स्टूडेंट को पूरे मिल्क का 1/3 पोर्शन मिलता है. ओके, 1/3 लीटर ऑफ मिल्क मिलता है. सॉरी, इफ द टोटल कंजम्पशन ऑफ द मिल्क इज, टोटल कंजम्पशन कितना दे रखा है आपको? कंजम्पशन मतलब इतना दूध मेस में आता है, कितना पर लीटर, कितना आता है? 57:2/3 लीटर पर डे. एक दिन में इतना दूध आता है, 57:2/3 लीटर. हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स आर देयर इन द हॉस्टल? तो हॉस्टल में कितने बच्चे हैं? नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स यू हैव टू फाइंड. नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स यू हैव टू फाइंड इन दिस क्वेश्चन. तो टोटल कंजम्पशन, टोटल दूध की जो कंजम्पशन है वो हॉस्टल में एक दिन में 57:2/3 लीटर है. यू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू द फर्स्ट इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. 57 multiplied by 3, you will get 171, and add 2 into it, you will get 173. 173/3 लीटर पर डे जो दूध आता है मेस में वो है 173/3 लीटर आता है. आपको नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स कितने हैं हॉस्टल में, ये आपको फाइंड करना है। नाउ यू हैव टू डिवाइड टोटल कंजम्पशन बाय ईच स्टूडेंट। ईच स्टूडेंट को कितना कंज्यूम होता है दूध, उससे आप डिवाइड कर देंगे। सो 173/3 डिवाइडेड बाय जितना एक बच्चे को मिलता है उससे आप डिवाइड कर देंगे, देन यू विल फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स। सो 173/3 you will take the reciprocal of 1/3. First you have to change it into the multiply, and you will have, now you have to taken the reciprocal of 1/3. It is equal to 3/1. So cancel 3 with 3. So the total students are in the hostel. 173 students are there in the hostel. You will note down this question. कैसे फाइंड करना है, टोटल कंजम्पशन को किससे डिवाइड किया हमने, ईच स्टूडेंट का जो कंज्यूम करता है, ईच स्टूडेंट कितना कंज्यूम करता है उससे मैंने क्या किया है, डिवाइड कर दिया। ओके now your sixth question is, what is your sixth question now? Your sixth question is the cost of 5:1/4 kg apple. The cost of how many kg? 5:1/4 kg. Apple cost is rupees, कितनी कॉस्ट है, 336 रुपीज कॉस्ट है। व्हाट इज द रेट ऑफ एप्पल पर केजी? व्हेन द मोर कॉस्ट, आपको ज्यादा एप्पल की कॉस्ट दे रखी है और आपको फाइंड करना है कम की, लेस की फाइंड करनी है, देन यू हैव टू डिवाइड इट। फॉर एग्जाम्पल व्हेन यू परचेज 5 kg एप्पल ऑफ रुपीज 100 रुपीज, आपने 5 kg एप्पल जो है 100 रुपीज के खरीदे हैं, तो 1 kg कितने का आएगा, 100। you have to divide 100 by 5. It means the cost of 1 kg apple is 20 rupees. You have to divide 100 by 5. So similarly, this question is, you have to find the cost of 1 kg apple. Then the cost of 1 kg apple is 336 divided by 5:1/4. Okay, so how you will find the cost of 1 kg apple? 330:1/4. You have to take the, first you have to change it into the improper fraction. 4 5 are 20 plus 1, 21/4. Now when the divide sign is given, you first change into the multiply, then you will take the reciprocal of 21/4. When you take the reciprocal of 21/4, it is equal to 4/21. Now you have to divide 3. When you will divide the, you have to take the reciprocal of 21/4 and it is equal to 4/21. When you divide 336 by 21, it is equal to 16. Now you have to multiply 16 by 4, it is equal to 64. So the cost of 1 kg apple is 64 rupees. Okay, note down this question now. Note down this question, students. Now your last question, seventh question is the length of rectangular plot of area. आपको एक रेक्टेंगुलर प्लॉट का एरिया दे रखा है, एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगुलर प्लॉट, इट इज गिवन 68:3/4 square meter. Okay, now you have to 68:3/4, you have to change it into the improper fraction. 68 multiply by 4, 272, 4 8 जा 32, 3 बच गया आपका, 4 6 जा 24 plus 3 27, and when you add 3 in it you get 275/4 square meter. Okay, area is given in this question and the length is also given in this question. Length is given 12:1/2 meter. Also you have to convert 12:1/2 into the improper fraction. 12 2s are 24 plus 1, 25/2 meter. Now you have to find in this question width. Width you have to find. How you will find the width of the rectangular portion? You have to divide the area by length. So area is given 275/4 and length is given 25/2. Now you have to divide 275/4 by 25/2. So you first convert the divide into multiply, then you have to take the reciprocal of 25/2. It become 2/25. Now cancel the portion. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, and 25 1 ja 25, and it is cancelled by 11. So it become the 11/2. Now you change into the 11/2 into the mixed fraction. So it become 5:1/2 meter. So this is the length of the rectangular plot. Sorry, width of the rectangular plot, because length is given in this question. Now student, the last two questions are like these questions. So you have to complete this question yourself. And now if you have any doubt regarding the division of the fraction, then you can ask from me. And tomorrow we will start your decimal portion. Your new topic is decimal 2.5 exercise we will start. And if there is any doubt regarding the division of fraction, then you can ask. Yes, students, if you have any doubt regarding the now the overall and the division of fraction is totally related to the, you have to take the reciprocal of the division part. मतलब कि डिवीजन के बाद का जो पोर्शन होता है उसका आपको क्या लेना पड़ता है, रेसिप्रोकल लेना पड़ता है. ओके, तो रेसिप्रोकल मींस in the reciprocal portion your numerator become the denominator and denominator become the numerator. Okay, 25/2, just how you will write 25/2? You have to write 2/25. In all the questions we solved so many questions which are related to your division of the fraction, and you will try all the examples of your notebook also. And now if you have any doubt regarding these questions, then you can ask from me. And the last two questions, I will give you the brief information about these questions. In a school, 25/54 of the students are girls and rest are boys. So total you let it, the total number of students are 1. Okay, 25/54 of the students are girls. So remaining are boys. So first you have to subtract it from 1. And if the number of boys are given in the question, you have to find the number of girls. So how you will find? When you will divide the 2030 by the remaining number of boys, So then you will find the number of girls also, and number of strength of the, you will find the number of strength of the boys also. And in the last question, in a orchard, 1/5 of the orange tree, 3/13 are mango tree, and the rest are bananas. Let कर लेना कि total number of trees are 1. So 1/5 are orange tree and 3/13 are mango trees. You will subtract these two of the fraction from 1 and you will get the banana tree then. And banana tree are given in the question. Number of banana tree are given in the question. Then you will find the number of trees. How many number of trees are in the orchard? You will find it.